Hey Ashley, allthingsdenture.com, and what we're talking to you today is posterior palatal seal. Just about to seal up this denture for processing, and I just wanted to go over some of the final touches that we're going to be doing. I'm using a lingualized non-balanced occlusion for this denture, and I'm just finished placing my posterior palatal seal. Now the posterior palatal seal is designed to compensate for shrinkage of the denture base. You can see even on, this is my denture base here, even after I adapted it to the tray, or correction, after I adapted it to the model, it shrunk. So we want as much retention as possible. So we use the posterior palatal seal, and this is a really neat design that I wasn't taught when I went to school, and this is, I'm not even sure if they teach it, if this is common, and I figured that I'd show what we're taught because it's a little different than I was taught. And the reason why it's sort of this shape is that if you need to adjust any part of this or it gets polished away, you don't lose the entire seal. So I'll say that what I was taught was a single line all the way across the denture base, and if I needed to adjust it or polishing, I don't know why I'd be polishing the tagular surface, but for whatever reason it's lost, then the refrigerator door, as Dr. Dray suggests, is lost. So we have a sort of in a butterfly, and I'm just going over my notes just to make sure that, and this is thanks to Dr. Dray, our resident prosthodontist. And so essentially it's 1 millimeter line anterior to the posterior extension of the denture, and then the second line, which is sort of a butterfly fashion. There's not really any prescribed distance. I took my discoid cleoid, this is a fairly large one, and carved, you can 1 millimeter deep. Let's see if I can get the depth in there. Approximately 1 millimeter deep. You can make this either, you can go not deep to deep, deep to deep, deep to not deep. I mean, make it constant, but one of the important things is to feather out as you get towards the hamular notch. And don't extend it onto the tuberosity or onto a torus. So this, once we process it, will aid in getting that beautiful refrigerator door seal. So it'll take 3 to 4 men to get this denture out of the patient's mouth once processed. Cheers.